In this video, I'm gonna talk about 10 must-have tools when starting your AI automation agency. I personally tried and tested all of them to save you time and help you build your AI automation agency more efficiently. Understanding these tools is essential whether you are going to use them in your agency or simply be aware of their existence to provide automation services to your clients. Make sure to watch this video till the end to get acquainted with all of them. You can also find a free brochure in the video description with the list and short descriptions for each tool. Make sure to follow this channel, like this video, because I'm going to share the valuable insights with you guys. Also, write in the comments below which tools are you using currently and which tools have you already tried. Now let's get started, but before we dive in, let me briefly introduce myself. I'm Nick Gorian, a co-founder of FlowMinds, an AI automation agency. I'm a software engineer and a content creator. In this video, I've divided the tools into 3 categories: lead generation automation, outreach automation, and pure AI automation. Some of them belong to multiple categories. So let's start. The first tool in my list is Instantly Mail. This tool belongs to lead generation and outreach automation categories. I deeply regret not starting to use it from day one. Cause look, to begin your email outreach campaign, it's crucial to warm up your email. Without proper warming up, the emails you send will likely to end up in your potential client's spam folder. Instantly provides a warming up tool that greatly helps with this process. You can add as many emails as you want to warm up without any limitations. Recently, Instantly introduced its database feature, but I haven't used it yet due to its cost. However, they promise to provide verified and high quality leads. Moreover, you can send automatic email campaigns to your clients, and based on their answers, the AI will sort them into different categories such as interested, meeting booked, meeting completed, closed, and so on. The next powerful tool is Apollo.io. It grants you the access to a database of 260 million contacts. You can filter these contacts using different parameters depending on your niche and offer. Moving on to the next tool, we have Go High Level. Although it's the CRM, it offers more than just the basics. Go High Level provides the features specifically designed for agencies. Think of it as a centralized hub for your leads generated from Facebook ads, website form submissions, and other lead generation sources. Additionally, it offers lead generation tools such as landing pages, websites, and forms. One of the standout features is the robust automation for leads and sales, including automated texts, emails, voicemails, and recorded phone calls. One service you can provide to the business is the following. Every business or almost every business has the database for their customers, but very little use them to their benefit. You can make an automated, personalized outreach to these clients using Go High Level. It shows very fast results in very short time frame. Let's now talk about LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Octopus. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is the tool that enables you to precisely target your ideal clients on LinkedIn. It offers various filtering options like company size, company name, job title, and others. On the other hand, Octopus is a CRM that automates the LinkedIn outreach process. Essentially, it takes the search results generated by LinkedIn Search Navigator and exports them to the CRM, allowing you to run automatic message campaigns on those people. Another CRM that was considering is Zopto, direct competitor to Octopus. I recommend trying both and deciding which suits you best. Now let's move on to Zapier, the absolute must-know tool for your AI automation agency. Zapier acts as a bridge between application facilitating task automation. For example, if you provide an AI automation services where you provide an AI automated chatbots for your clients using BotPress, Zapier can transfer the communication data to customers' preferred database or CRM. This is just one simple application for Zapier, and it can provide you with plenty of ideas for your AI automation agency. Next up is Bouncer. Bouncer ensures the validity and deliverability of the emails. When you acquire the potential leads list from Apollo or any other application, you can run this data through Bouncers to verify and clean the email addresses, thus improving deliverability. Finally, Mail is the next one, which is similar to Bouncer. It automatically exports the leads from Sales Navigator or Apollo while simultaneously verifying the email addresses. Now let's focus on the BotPress. This is the tool you should definitely try out. It allows you to build AI-powered chatbots with little to no coding required. Chatbots development is one of the services you can offer your clients, and BotPress makes it easy to learn and implement. For creating landing pages, I recommend to use System.io. I personally created my landing page using this tool. Lastly, we have 2 bonus tools for automating social media outreach: Murga and Jitbit. These tools enables you to automate social media outreach by recording your mouse and keyboard actions. I hope this video provided valuable insights for you and will help you in your journey. Don't forget to get your free brochure with the tool list, like this video and follow the channel. See you in the next video.